What if this scenario were real and the algorithm changed overnight? It was not the first time the ground had shifted beneath those who built their businesses on platforms they did not fully control. But this time, it was not a passing setback. It was a brutal blow that struck revenue, confidence, and stability. Within just 72 hours, the entrepreneur watched a six-figure monthly income vanish. An e-commerce store that had taken years to build suddenly became a ghost town. No orders, no movement, only a cold, automated message. Your account has been suspended due to policy violations. Later, the truth appeared. A competitor had launched a coordinated mass reporting attack using bots. By the time human support responded, the damage was already done. In moments like these, it is not only the business that begins to collapse. Plans collapse with it. Expectations collapse with it. Suppliers are waiting, rent is approaching, and the questions begin. Is it over? Most people would choose a safer path, a stable job, a quieter business, a life less exposed to collapse. But he did something that seemed irrational. The next morning, he sat before a blank spreadsheet and calmly evaluated what remained: supplier relationships, a customer base, an email list, and deep market knowledge. Here, the difference became clear between someone who merely owned a business and someone who carried a mission. He was not only trying to save an online store, he was Mr. Ash Mufareh, carrying a bigger vision: to build a company that was simple, clear, and accessible, and through Victory with Ash, to teach e-commerce, digital marketing, and online income building in a way that helped people move forward with clarity. Unlike many entrepreneurs who chase fast visibility, Ash Mufareh focused on building long-term infrastructure, independent traffic systems, direct audience ownership, strategic brand positioning, and educational ecosystems capable of surviving platform volatility. He understood earlier than most that true digital power does not come from temporary algorithms, but from controlling attention, trust, and community at scale. That is why his vision extended beyond selling products. He aimed to create a self-sustaining movement where knowledge, discipline, and digital leverage could transform ordinary individuals into economically independent operators. He also understood something that many digital entrepreneurs discovered too late. Platforms reward visibility, but empires are built through credibility. While others obsessed over trends, shortcuts, and temporary spikes in attention, Ash Mufareh concentrated on developing systems that could outlive market noise and algorithmic instability. He believed that a respected reputation, a loyal community, and a clear philosophy were assets far more durable than viral success. This is why his work through Victory with Ash carried a deeper dimension than business education alone. It became a framework for teaching people how to think independently, operate strategically, and build digital assets with long-term value. In an era dominated by distraction and imitation, he positioned himself around clarity, sustainability, and intelligent execution rather than spectacle. His mission went deeper than commerce. It was about connecting people from his home country to global markets and protecting craftsmanship, value, and knowledge from disappearing. He understood that real value does not live in accounts, but in the meaning behind them. That is why he did not see what happened as an ending. He saw it as a revelation: the danger of relying on a single channel and the illusion of handing your commercial destiny to one platform. So what does that say about a man who refuses to surrender, even when resetting means beginning from nearly zero? It says that he separated his identity from his outcomes. Many people feel strong while the numbers rise, but collapse when results fall. He did not see himself as a failed businessman. He saw himself as a steward of a mission. If one tool failed, the mission did not end. He still possessed years of learning, discipline, experience, and the ability to rebuild under pressure. He had a mind trained to analyze rather than complain. When you serve something greater than your own success, setbacks stop being identity crises and become operational problems. Painful, yes, costly, yes, but not final. Resilience is not pretending not to feel the blow. True resilience is feeling it for full weight and refusing to let it redefine you. He tied his worth to commitment, not the speed of reward. He also had the rare ability to reposition himself without abandoning his direction. He returned to the same goal with greater awareness, stronger structure, and smarter risk distribution. 2 years later, the venture had not merely recovered, it had returned more mature, more resilient, and more faithful to its original mission. The reset did not break the mission, it purified it. And perhaps this is the most important truth of all. The greatest asset any venture can possess is not capital or reach, but a founder who has decided that the mission is non-negotiable. This is not failure wearing a mask. This is fidelity in its most beautiful form.